Hi guys, today we are going to create this. Here the example of preset. First go to Light, Contrast plus 35, Highlights negative 70, Shadow plus 70, Whites negative 85, Blacks negative 65, Next go to Curve. Follow these steps. Now go to Color, Tint plus 2, Vibrance negative 16, Saturation negative 14. Go to Max. Now go to Red color, Hue negative 4. Next go to Orange color, Hue negative 10, Saturation negative 12, Luminance plus 8. Now go to Yellow color, Hue plus 32, Saturation negative 60, Luminance negative 20. Go to Green color, Hue negative 6, Saturation negative 100, Luminance negative 12. Now go to Aqua color, Hue plus 100, Saturation negative 100. Go to Blue color, Hue plus 20, Saturation plus 85. Luminance plus 60. Now go to Purple color, Hue plus 100, Saturation negative 90. Luminance negative 20. Go to Magenta color, Hue negative 10. Next go to Effect, Clarity plus 16, Dehaze plus 4, Vignette negative 20, Midpoint down to 40, Feather up to 65. Now go to Split tone, Shadow Hue 206 and Saturation 19. Balance plus 10. Next go to Detail. Sharpening 20. Color Noise Reduction 15. And finish.